Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. Then wait for it to download. You don't have to open it, just wait and click Home button. Now select Device Settings. Scroll down and choose Apps and Notifications. Then select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to tap on Browser App. Now set up the chosen browser or other app by clicking on it and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!